And today I'm going to show you the best salon system. I've owned salons, I've done over 70,000 spray tans myself, and I have never ever come across a unit that's as comprehensive, as easy to install, and as ergonomic for your salon and as professional as this. Here are some of my favorite things about the Tan Easy all-in-one booth. Firstly, and most importantly, this comprehensive LED lighting gives natural light from top to bottom, guaranteeing that there's no shadows and no mistakes. Secondly, the space. Look how much space you have to work in here. You guys know space is key to getting a perfect tan so that you can move around your client. My gun's ready to go in the holder right here on both sides for left and right hand tanners, and I can simply move around the booth just like this. Look how much space I have. And believe it or not guys, this all-in-one booth is so simple to put together. We're going to do it in under 20 minutes. You're going to need either a drill or a screwdriver. So next up, we have the bottom filter, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install. No tools needed. So now it's time to install your walls. This first wall, it's just so important to make sure that this edge fits in with this groove. Now time for your top extraction filter, and I love this part. This is the simplest part of the entire installation, just like this. I hope you're getting excited guys. It's starting to come together. We've got our top wall here on both sides, and I'm going to show you how to put that on. It's so simple and so easy. Now all you have to do is simply make sure these applicator holders are on the bottom outside edge of your wall. Now this is the top of your booth guys, and it's really simple to identify. We've got the LED lighting in the top so you can see everywhere you're spray tanning. Now my hot tip is get a friend to help you put this on, because it's going to make it so much easier to put those screws in. That was so simple guys, and now all we have to do is just tighten up our screws. I'm going to use a drill, but if you don't have a drill, no worries, just grab a screwdriver. And that's all there is to it, tanners. We just put this all-in-one booth together in under 20 minutes. How easy was that?